Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I am talking about the handbag that I enjoyed so much. I bought twice. It's the Coach Cassie. And honestly, I actually bought this bag 3 times. I do have it in the white chalk color, but I don't reach for it. So I'm actually in the process of selling it on Poshmark. But these two bags I really enjoy wearing. I'm sure everybody has seen these all over YouTube. This is the one that started my madness for the Coach Cassie 19. I think this is the one that reintroduced me back to Coach, because I hadn't, before this bag, I don't think I've worn any Coach bags in a really long time. But this one I purchased at the beginning of 2020, and she is definitely durable. She's a keeper. I don't see any wear and tear. I do condition my bags just to make sure they last. So I did condition this maybe twice already since I've had her. There is the long strap that comes with the bag, but look at that beautiful lining. I love that lining there. But when Coach came out with this bag, I mean, it's everything. 3 handles. You have the shorter handle. Here's the longer strap that you can also carry it as a crossbody. And then there is the chain strap. So you can carry it as a shoulder bag if you prefer, or the top handle. I mean, just very versatile bag. But this bag has seen a lot of places. So this is definitely a great piece. When I bought the bag, I believe it retailed for $2. And this is one of the only Coach bags that I bought full price. When I first initially bought the bag, it was $2.50, and now I believe the bag retails for $2.95. So they have gone up. I guess the demand has gone up for this bag. But the other great thing about it, you have this front pocket here. Then you have this middle compartment. I just have it stuffed with tissue paper, and I just threw the chain back in there. And then there is a back pocket. Back inside pocket, and you have your outside pocket here. So I think just the multi pockets, the 3 straps that come with the bag is really what sold me on this. So much that I ended up purchasing the brown one. The brown coated canvas. I just think this is such a pretty bag. Just like the other, you have your back pocket. Slip your phone back here. That turn lock feature I think is so pretty. You have your inside pocket. I love the interior of this with the brown. I think that's so pretty. And you have that longer strap there. Just have it shoved in there, and another brass chain. And I think I'm gonna go grab the white bag just to show you guys. Let me pause you. I'll be right back. So here's the white bag. I have it kept in the dust bag because I will be selling this on Poshmark, so I just want to keep the integrity of the bag and make sure that whoever is the lucky person to get her off my hands. Let's see, this is where it resells for $2.95. But the white one was so pretty, but for some reason I never did reach for it. And so instead of me just letting it sit on my shelf, see it's stuffed there. Instead of letting it sit on my shelf, I'm just gonna let someone else take her off my hands, and then I will purchase something else. So that's one thing that I do when it comes to purchasing bags, if I don't use the bag, I will sell it and then use that money to buy another bag. Or if I have a bag in my collection that I'm no longer using, then I like to just, you know, sell it and then use that money to buy a new bag. So that's one way I try to cut down on costs of handbags. Of course, I do shop resale. I also buy things and sell them on eBay. And also, I used to always shop thrift and consignment in person. And then, of course, when the pandemic happened, I just kind of shied away from it all. And recently, I've been finding some really good deals on Poshmark and also eBay. So I've been using those secondhand seller sites to save money. So you know, you want to be wise about your spending. I normally, again, would not buy multiple handbags, but they're both under $300. And I mean, I just get a lot of use out of these. So I feel as far as price per cost, or I'm definitely getting my money's worth from these two bags. But I just enjoyed them. I had to buy three, but I'm selling the one. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I enjoy sharing inexpensive ways of buying items. I love a good deal. I am a bargain shopper, have been always on the hunt for a good deal. So I also like to share what I find and post it on my community tab. So, you know, just all about saving the coins, but also treating yourself as well. So I think that's what my mission is. And if that should be a mission, but that's what I always try to do. So, but yes, thank you guys so much. I'm probably rambling, but thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, be sure to hit the bell notification button. My goal this year is to release a new video each week. So I plan, or will try to be more consistent on uploading videos. So I hope you will enjoy the content. And thank you guys so much for watching and supporting it. It really means a lot. And also thank you to those of you who have purchased one of my notebooks or journals. I see that I have made some sales. So, and if you enjoyed those notebooks and journals, I ask that you please give me a review on Amazon. That also will help support my small business venture. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and be blessed.